Anusha. In the previous video, we understood how enterprise server architectures work. In this video, we will understand how to access these remote servers. First, we'll understand what is a local machine, the personal computer which we physically use for development, testing or personal work with limited resources like CPU, RAM or storage. It is a local machine, example laptop or desktop we use. What is a remote server? A computer located in a data center or a cloud that is accessed over a network using tools like SSH or remote desktop. It runs applications, databases and services for users and is designed for high resources and continuous operations. Example, a Linux server in a company, data center or cloud. Why engineers need remote access to servers? Because servers are usually hosted in data centers or cloud environments, not on the engineer's local machine. Engineers use remote access to manage, monitor and troubleshoot servers that are located in remote data centers. We have three types of remote access methods like Telnet, where data was transmitted in plain text, SSH, the secure communication protocol, where data is encrypted during transmission, and remote desktop. Generally, it is used when we need graphical access to servers. In Linux servers, SSH is the most commonly used method. With SSH, the client and server establish a secure connection. All data is encrypted during transmission and only the receiving server can decrypt and read the information. Many companies keep port 22 open internally for secure server management because SSH uses port 22 as a default port. Why companies use SSH instead of direct access? It's because it is encrypted communication provides more security. It is SSH Key Based Authentication. We'll understand that in the later part of the video. Auditability for login tracking and remote server management, and it is firewall friendly. SSH Key Authentication is a secure login method that uses a cryptographic keys instead of passwords to access Linux servers through OpenSSH. A key pair is generated on the client machine using command SSH keygen. There is a private key which is stored securely on the user systems or a public key added to the server in the given path, authorized keys path. During login, the server verifies the user by matching the keys. What are the advantages of SSH key authentication? It is more secure than password authentication, protects against brute force attacks and enables secure automated access. Now we'll see about OpenSSH Shell. OpenSSH Shell is the software package that implements SSH protocol. It provides tools like SSH, which gives remote login to servers, SCP, which gives secure file copy, SFTP for secure file transfer, and SSHD for SSH server daemon. We use SSH in this way, like SSH username @ server IP. Like here we have SSH development user and this is the IP address. When we give, then we get similar kind of interface. Here we see how enterprise SSH access in real world systems. Like this is the developer laptop with using SSH and port 22 we connects to the host and from there you can even connect to the application servers and database server, but through a secure network. So these are the remote servers which are hosted in data center or cloud. SSH is one of the most important tools used in Linux, DevOps and production support environments. Production engineers use SSH to check application logs, restart services, monitor CPU, memory disk, deploy application updates and transfer files between servers. These are some of the common SSH issues, like when permission denied, you need to use these following troubleshooting commands to fix. Like here we are changing the mod to fix this private key permissions and even the public key to check whether the public key exists on server or not. If the connection is refused, we use this command, and if host is unreachable, we'll try to check the status of the server by pinging the server. And for wrong port or configuration issues, we check in this way, and for debugging SSH connection, we use this command. Thank you.